As you walk in, you see the hallway that I closed on, obviously. It is up there. And here is the bathroom, which is quite a nice bathroom. Here's the sink, it's nice and big actually, and if you're two people then this is perfect for you. Here's me, looking fabulous. Here I am, looking fabulous and amazing as always, because I am. And I'm in my spirit jersey in case anyone's wondering. This is my mess, this is my nan's, this is the toilet obviously, it's nice and clean like every Disney hotel should be, and this is the bath, standard bath, which is really nice. And look, it's Toy Story themed, the shampoo, and that's so cool. And I just love how there's a whole shampoo dedicated to Toy Story on here now, which is awesome. And I did bring some shampoo just in case, because the shampoos they have are very titchy, that's all I'm saying. And so bring a spare massive bottle of shampoo with you. Unless you watch this video and decide not to bother because there's now a shampoo thing here. Which I didn't. This must be a new thing they added, I don't know. Towels, shower, which is really handy. These are the shower curtains, which are really cool. They're horseshoe theme, which I think is amazing. It's very Toy Story Woody vibes here, which is one thing I like about the hotel. That's my outfit for tomorrow, you've probably already seen it. There's a little stand to put the kettle and everything. There's my case, my cousin's case. So here's the TV. And this is the bed you should expect to get 100%. I like the little cow print floor fin on it, it's really cute. And I also love the lamps. Let's switch them on. I just switched it off, I'm ever so sorry about that. I don't know where the pin is to turn the lights on, but the lamps are Woody theme, which is so cool, it's awesome. And my wallpaper is Toy Story, which is really, really cool. Here's a really nice picture of Woody, Jessie and Bullseye, which is really cute. And here's the bed. If you have someone else staying with you, which means we have my cousin, he's staying on this bed, which is really cool. And here's the bed that me and my nan are unfortunately sharing because there were no two double beds, which is quite annoying, not gonna lie. And that's what was on the bed. Just thought I'd let you guys know, be prepared to not have two double beds. In the Cheyenne in some rooms, I'm not too sure what the other rooms are like though, don't quote me. But I would honestly recommend just ask the reception for two double beds, which I do recommend doing, because there will be no bother, just like ask them, no harm in asking, because if you don't ask, you won't get. That's what I always say. Anyway guys, thank you. Anyway, I'm gonna end the room tour here. Sorry if it was a very quick video, I just wanted it uploaded tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching, please hit that subscribe button down below, comment, and also hit the notification bell. Love you, bye!